English Just.
At the bank.
Good morning. I would like to open a bank account.
Good morning. I'd be happy to help you.
Thank you. What documents do I need?
I need your ID and proof of address.
I have both with me.
Great. May I see them, please?
Of course. Here they are.
Thank you. Everything looks correct.
How long does it take to open an account?
Only about 15 minutes.
That's good.
Would you like a savings account or a checking account?
What is the difference?
A savings account helps you save money, while a checking account is for daily transactions.
I would like a savings account.
Excellent choice.
Is there a minimum deposit?
Yes, the minimum deposit is $50.
That's fine.
Please fill out this form.
Okay, give me a moment.
Take your time.
I have finished the form.
Thank you. Let me process your application.
Sure.
Congratulations. Your new account is now open.
That's great news.
Here is your account information.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
At the restaurant.
Excuse me, I think there is a mistake with my order.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I ordered a chicken sandwich, but I received a hamburger.
Let me check your receipt.
Here it is.
Yes, you're right. You ordered the chicken sandwich.
I was looking forward to it.
I apologize for the mistake.
It's okay. Mistakes happen.
Thank you for understanding.
How long will it take to fix?
About 5 minutes.
That's fine.
Would you like a free drink while you wait?
Really? That would be nice.
Of course. What would you like?
A lemonade, please.
I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
Here is your lemonade.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
Your correct order is almost ready.
Great. It smells delicious.
Here is your chicken sandwich.
Perfect. This is exactly what I ordered.
Again, I'm sorry for the mix-up.
No problem. Thank you for fixing it so quickly.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Excuse me, is everything okay?
Not really. My car will not start.
Oh no, how long have you been trying?
almost 20 minutes.
Do you know what the problem is?
I think the battery's dead.
That is frustrating.
Yes, especially because I need to get to work.
Maybe I can help. I have jumper cables in my car.
That would be amazing.
Let's see if we can start it.
Thank you so much.
Okay, try turning the key now.
1 second. It's starting.
Great, the battery was the problem.
You saved my day.
I'm glad I could help.
I was worried I would be late for work.
You should still have enough time.
Yes, thanks to you.
Make sure to get the battery checked soon.
I will do that this afternoon.
Good idea.
Thank you again for stopping to help a stranger.
No problem. We all need help sometime.
That's true.
Have a safe drive.
You too. Goodbye. Excuse me, are you the owner of this bicycle?
Yes, why do you ask?
I think someone was trying to take it a few minutes ago.
Really? Are you serious?
Yes, I saw a man checking the lock.
What happened then?
When he saw people looking at him, he walked away quickly.
Thank you for telling me.
You're welcome. I thought you should know.
I am glad my lock was strong.
It probably stopped him.
I just bought this bicycle last month.
It looks brand new.
I use it to go to work every day.
Then it is very important to you.
Yes, it is.
Maybe you should park it somewhere safer.
That is a good idea.
Do you think I should report this?
It would not hurt to tell security.
You're right. I will do that.
Thank God nothing was stolen.
Me too.
Thank you again for your help.
No problem. I would hope someone would do the same for me.
Well, you saved me a lot of trouble today.
I am happy everything turned out okay.
Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.